Yeah, well, I'd say, TrackRef helps you remain audit ready for every piece of this four-step process. And so from an identification standpoint, you want to make sure that whether you're using regular leak inspections or ALDs, that you have a record of both the method that you're using, the fact that it's up to date and calibrated, and that those service events, whether it's an alarm that is triggered or an inspection that takes place, is reported in a way that is audit ready. Next, for repair, obviously you're leaning on your service providers to do that, or your in-house techs, but you want to make sure that those repairs, when that repair happens, that the leak rate is calculated, that it's documented, that if there's a follow-on verification inspection that needs to happen, that all of those important steps across 2 and 3 are conducted. And then, of course, for your reporting, we have exports that are built specifically for things like CARB XML, which is an annual reporting that customers in California need to use, or EPA notifications to let them know about plans as they relate to chronically leaking systems or other methods there. And then, of course, audits happen. And so making sure that if an inspector comes knocking, it's very easy for you to pull all of your information. And we've seen the EPA specifically from note the importance of this record keeping, and then noting that electronic systems make it easier for you to access that at any point in time.